Hello, my intrepid adventurers. It is super early in the morning, and I'm going to hike Angel's Landing. You can't see me at all. Hi! So, let's go on this adventure together so that you can see what it's like, and you can see if you want to add it to your bucket list. Or you can look at it and say, absolutely no way, thank you for doing that so I don't have to. Okay, so far I think I'm the first one on this trail. That is not gonna last. And to make this video more interesting, because Angel's Landing isn't interesting enough, I am a traveling mermaid, so I brought my tail. I'm gonna transform into my mermaid self in Angel's Landing. So I ended up getting on the very first shuttle, and I mean the very first Zion shuttle, and basically hiking alone at this point. So I just got past slow and steady people. However, I did see some people up here further up, so they must have hiked here instead of taking the shuttle, and more power to them. Good job. Look at all the people coming up this trail. Wow, it's so pretty. So far there have been no steps, only a steep incline. So I'm not sure if that's better or worse. I don't know, you tell me. Put in the comments, would you rather have a steep incline or stairs? Little break from the steep inclines, and it's super beautiful. Wow. I'm getting a small taste for the way down, and on these inclines, I think I might regret not bringing my poles. We'll see. Look at all those switchbacks. Ooh, and just look at the view. Switchbacks, 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 switchbacks. Let's go. Okay, so even if you're just going to the Scouts Trail, I have to say that there are some pretty steep drop-offs, even if you're not doing Angel's Landing, even if you're just going up that White Rim Trail. So even if you're not doing Angel's Landing, I would be very hesitant if you are afraid of heights. But if you're not, oh, this is amazing. Okay, can we talk about how the sun is hitting this rock? And then there's the moon. Oh my gosh, there it is. Okay, let's go. This is semi-terrifying. Woo! But the view! Almost to the summit! on backwards, it is a lot easier, kind of like rappelling, than sliding down on your butt. Safety tip. Woo! Okay, I did it. I made it back down. It was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I think the key is to do all the stair parts backwards and then hold yourself as you go backwards and just have very good communication with all the people going up. And with that, I think you'll be totally fine. It is really not as bad as I was thinking it was gonna be. Just go slow. And here's Angel's Landing from Scout's Lookout. There it is. Okay, here you can see all of the switchbacks all the way down to the bus stop.